Prime Minister is just making this out an issue because he is not addressing the real issues. He is not addressing the crisis that's there before the country. He is not addressing the crisis that is there before the people and their livelihoods. The highest level of unemployment, growing poverty, continuous price rise, households borrowing in order to survive, household savings plummeted to virtual zero, and household indebtedness has soared, and few millionaires and billionaires are making their money, and inequality has horrifically been widened. These are the real issues for the people in the country. The Prime Minister is not talking about them because he cannot talk about them. He has got no answers or solutions. So he is only relying on whipping up communal passions in order to sharpen polarization. So any issue he can find to whip up these passions is what he is doing. Because that is the only weapon they have left with them. They can't go back on the basis of economic success. They can't go back on the basis of anything that was successful in the last 10 years. So the only thing which they have in their arsenal is communal polarization, and that is what they are doing.